We are here at AMO, the biggest machine tooling show internationally. At the Celro booth, I would like to showcase you the automation tour we have available for you today. Also, I want to show you our Accelerate product at the Alzmetall booth. And next, I want to take you along to our partner Gressel, where we will showcase you our six-sided machining solution. Will you come along? In the first step of our automation tour, I would like to show you robotization. And in robotization, we want to remove the repetitive task from the operator so that he has more time available to prepare the next production job. In automation, the crucial step that we try to support is changing between different jobs. And changing in different jobs requires that we have gripper exchange, vise exchange, pallet exchange. And our X35 is an example product where we showcase all these different functions. Our intuitive software allows operators to program a new job within 3 minutes. In the step digitalization, we connect your machine with data and insights towards the operator. The operator receives data about job validation. Can I execute the jobs planned in the future? What are the tasks that I need to execute to make sure that I can continue my operation? And how do I ensure that I keep running my machine smoothly? Another benefit is when we upgrade our platform towards manufacturing intelligence. With manufacturing intelligence, we connect ERP and MES systems towards our cell and bring, for example, job data into production. The fourth and final step, we want to take you to a fully optimized shop floor. Therefore, we make use of AGVs, for example, to bring tools, parts and pallets from a centralized warehouse to your cell to have the maximum efficiency that you can achieve.
Celro is present at several booths during EMO, and here we are at our partner booth at Gressel, where we exhibit an X35 RC2 solution. Hi Andreas, can you shortly introduce Gressel to me and our audience?
Yes, hi Jean-Paul. Gressel was founded by 1923 at Edmond Gressel. The production is in Switzerland, and since 2014 we are apart from Schenck. And we are in the moment 100 employees.
Developing and manufacturing clamping systems. Can you explain a little bit more about the strategy behind the RC2 6S solution?
The RC2 for 6S is for companies that have low batch sizes, different parts, and so we have with the 6-side station is the most benefit for the customer. He can made from raw material to finished parts unmanned.
Is there any more behind the technical advantages of the systems? Does that change anything from organizational production flow point of view?
This is the system. They have the lowest time for the employees on the automation solution. And the most benefit for the customer is the 6-side station. Every integrator says he can make 6-side station, but only for big series. Here we have from low sizes to one part.
In one setup, and completely finished.
Yes.
Here we are at one of our partner stands, Alzmetall. So, Mr. Ilk, can you shortly introduce Alzmetall for our audience?
Yeah, Alzmetall is a renowned company which is 78 years old, and we are basically in 3 business segments. One is the machining center, CNC 5-axis machining center. Second one is drilling machines, and we have a foundry. And the foundry works 10% for our own needs, whereas 90% for external customers.
What kind of features do you see in the market related to automation requests?
Everybody's discussing it right now. Automation, it's all over the place due to a lack of skilled workers. And there are 2 options to get more people into this country to do this job, or you do the automation. The last one is what we're going to pursue.
In this particular combination between your 5-axis machine and our cell, what do you see as advantages or features of this specific combination?
I mean, our customers telling us automation, they have some constraints in terms of investment. At the second time, it's basically the footprint or the space which is needed for automation. Yeah. And if it requires too much space, they might have limits due to their buildings, their factories. And so automation needs to be compact, flexible, and this also means flexibility means get access to the machine to do all the adjustments, and after that getting the automation from the machine and keep them running.
Very clear overview. Thank you very much, Mr. Ilk.
Okay, thank you.
As you can see, every type of milling machine can be automated. Cellro has a broad portfolio of automation solutions which we can customize to your specific needs. This was the Cellro CNC Automation Tour at AMO 2023 in Hanover. We will be organizing a lot of events in the upcoming period. Please check our website to check what we with our partners are organizing for you to be able to see automation for yourself.